Hello beautiful devs, let's discuss about internal links. Internal links are very important, and whenever you are on your post, for example, you can see that we don't have any internal link within the post for our other content. Okay, so it's not a better practice. Definitely we don't have any other content on our website, so that we can't add internal links currently, but later on we will fix this issue and we will add links to other pages as well. Okay, so internal links are very important thing for your website. The other important thing is alternative text. So alternative text are the text for the images you uploaded to your media. So for example, here we can go to media, and whenever you will upload a image, I showed you that we have to add a alternative text. Okay, so if this text is focusing on a certain keyword, it's all very important. So for example, this image, you can see we have added a title, 10 ways to remove fat fast. Okay, so this is a keyword. Okay, and you should add keywords like this, and then you should save or update the image. Okay, it's very important. And the importance of this is that whenever people will search for images on the Google, they will find out your website for specific keywords. Okay, so first thing is internal links, very important. We will add that later on. The second thing is this image optimization, alternative text, which are very needy and very useful for SEO purpose. Okay, so the last thing we will discuss in next video, which is also very important.